how to fix GTA 5 application was unable to start correctly, error easy and quick. If you want to fix this error, all you need to do, just go to settings, and now once you're here, click updates. Now just make sure to update your Windows, and after that go to privacy, then scroll down until you find background apps. Now turn off background apps and then go back, go to gaming, and here go to graphics settings, then browse, and once you're here, just you need to find GTA 5 folder and then click on it, and here we'll find it and click options. Now just you will find it here, then just select high performance and click save. Now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.